Hope you're feeling fine. I just want you to understand that I pray for you each night. I love when you teach me. I'm crying out for more. Taking all the love that you give when you walk through your door. And I don't know how, but you keep me floating. You love me fully and truly, and I can't believe that you are my grandma. I don't wanna cry, but you love me so well. I just wanna hold back these years, they keep coming. You may not know it now, but a piece of you's within. You love me fully.
Always and forever I will love you. Okay, baby.
Looking in the mirror, I see you instead, and I'm so amazed at the family you led. I can have my dreams, and when you're fine, I talk to the Lord, and He says all it takes is time, and He's the reason why